The pie chart, titled AI, Model Confidence Level Analysis, Education Sector, ISO 21001, AI Model by Pradeep K. Suri, visually represents the confidence levels associated with different students as determined by an AI model within the context of the ISO 21001 standard for the education sector. Here's an explanation of the pie chart from an ISO 21001 point of view, focusing on the concept of confidence level analysis. Understanding the context, ISO 21001 and confidence in education. ISO 21001:2018 is an international standard that specifies requirements for an educational organization's management system, EOMS. It aims to enhance learner satisfaction and other interested parties through the effective application of an EOMS, including processes for improvement of the system and assurance of conformity to the requirements. In this context, confidence level analysis likely refers to the AI model's assessment of the reliability or certainty of its predictions, evaluations, or insights related to individual students. This confidence level could be associated with various aspects, such as learning progress. How confident is the model in its assessment of a student's understanding of a particular topic? Performance prediction. How confident is the model in predicting a student's future performance? Identification of needs. How confident is the model in identifying specific learning needs or challenges of a student? Personalized recommendations. How confident is the model that its recommendations for a student are appropriate and effective? Interpreting the pie chart from an ISO 21001 perspective. Each slice of the pie chart represents a different student, student 1 through student 10. The size of each slice corresponds to the percentage representing the AI model's confidence level associated with that particular student. The legend on the right provides the color coding for each student. Key insights and implications for ISO 21001. 1. Monitoring and measurement. Clause 9.1. The confidence level analysis provides valuable data for monitoring and measuring the effectiveness of the educational processes and the AI model itself. Lower confidence levels for certain students might indicate areas where the model needs more data, refinement, or where the students' learning patterns are less clear. 2. Analysis and evaluation. Clause 9.1. The distribution of confidence levels across students can be analyzed to identify patterns or trends. For example, are there consistently lower confidence levels for a specific group of students or in relation to a particular learning area? This analysis can inform improvements to the educational system or the AI model. 3. Improvement. Clause 10. Identifying students with lower confidence levels can trigger further investigation and potential interventions. This aligns with the ISO 21001 focus on continuous improvement. Educational organizations can use this information to review the data and factors contributing to lower confidence levels, adjust teaching strategies or provide additional support to those students, refine the AI model with more data or improved algorithms to increase its accuracy and confidence. 4. Learner satisfaction. Clause 5.1.2. While not directly measuring learner satisfaction, the confidence level analysis indirectly contributes by ensuring that decisions and interventions are based on reliable assessments. Higher confidence in the AI's insights can lead to more effective personalized learning experiences, potentially enhancing learner satisfaction. 5. Data-driven decision-making. The pie chart exemplifies the use of data to inform decision-making within the educational organization, a key principle of ISO 21001. By visualizing the model's confidence, educators and administrators can make more informed choices about resource allocation, support strategies, and curriculum adjustments. In summary, from an ISO 21001 point of view, this confidence level analysis pie chart serves as a tool for assessing the reliability of AI-driven insights about students, identifying areas where the AI model or educational processes might need improvement, supporting data-driven decision-making to enhance the quality of education and potentially improve learner outcomes, contributing to the ongoing monitoring, analysis, and evaluation required by the ISO 21001 standard. The specific percentages for each student would provide a more granular understanding of the model's confidence distribution. For instance, a large portion of students with high confidence levels might indicate a well-performing model, while a significant number of students with low confidence could signal potential issues. Thank you.